Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of website planning and creation. So continuing forward our learning on the Divi module. So today we will be learning about the post title. So this is one of the very unique property which or I should say an option which is present in the Divi Builder. So which helps or I should say which facilitates in creating a very good layout of the blogs that is going to appear in the front end. So in order to understand the use of the post title, so we need to create a new post. So as you can see on the screen of mine, I have just clicked on add new post. So I'll give this post as a name of like post title only, so that you can understand. Before proceeding ahead, make sure that the layout, the page layout is of no sidebar and the post title is hidden, right? And after that, let's just set a featured image. So I've selected this one as a featured image. Right, so now this is the featured image of mine. Now let's continue forward, and or I should rather say let's just preview how is it appearing. So when I'll just click on the preview, it may appear probably there would be no difference that you might have seen. So you can see that is the post title, the date, stuff like this, and the featured image which is coming. Now in order to understand how this post title works, let's just click on this visual builder so that we can work in the front end of the screen and get a better interaction, or I should rather say get a better view of how this thing is going to look like. So you can see it's just getting loaded. Right, I'll say I'll build from scratch. No, thank you. Right, so just let's select one row. I'll select post title. Right, now you can see the moment I've selected this, the post title, what was the name of our post, has appeared out here and the featured image is appearing out here. Now the moment I'll try to edit these options, the first thing that I'm getting is element. Now I can see that it is showing the post title, the admin, metadata, meta description, and everything is appearing out here. And after that is the, I'm sorry, in the element only I missed one stuff. That is the featured image placement. Right now the featured image is just below this. If I want the featured image to be top, I can simply drop down and above title. Now you can see the featured image is here and the title is placed here. I want this title to be on this side of the screen. So I'll just simply click on this post title and I'll click here. So I've just shifted the post title here. And if I talk about the font, so let's just make it to yeah, this looks good. Just made it like this, and I made it little like bold. Fine, text size is a little bigger. Right, so now I can see the image is here and the post title is here. The same thing, if I want these things to appear on the other side, I can just simply click on this pen icon and right away. Fine. Now I'm finding this gap is a little bigger. If I need to just close down this gap between these two, right? So what I need to do is, again, I just simply need to click on this icon, edit it, go to this post option, right. Now let's slide. Okay, fine, let's do a little more beautifications. Post title is looking like this. It's fine. Spacing, and I need to move it a little bit top, so now it's better. And if I need to work on the margin, there is a custom padding. Right, that's better. So this is my image and the post title is just appearing after this. Now whatever post I would be writing inside this module, now the entire post would be coming here. So now what has happened, now if anyone is opening your page, so he's seeing the custom image and a customized layout of the post title, whatever way you want it to appear and whichever font and stuff like that. Because earlier generally we were not able to control on the post title which was appearing on the top. So by this you can have a customized post title and the location and everything, and according to the image also you can use this post title option. And even in fact, not only this, you can even create another layout for this. If I'll say I'll add 2 sections. Okay, and first I'll add an image. Okay, oh sorry, I need to go to I. So this is alphabetically, if you'll notice, E, F, G, H, I. I just need to select the image option which I want to have on the left hand side, right? I'll select this image. Suppose I want this as an image, right? And on this section I'll just select the post title, right? And I can simply even remove this background image so that only the title is appearing out here, and post that I can just strategically place the title over or anywhere of this location, and then I can have the complete blog out here or at the bottom or something like that. So what it is helping me out is I can have a very unique way of making this thing display. The title or the post of everything is a very unique way of displaying it. And if I need a background on the text, so I can have a gradient, suppose if I want. Now you can see the gradient is appearing. So that was just a small way of illustrating the option. So this is what post title is all about, right? I hope this post title option was clear to you all, and even you have understood how we can efficiently and effectively use this layout to, it's just a beautifications. You can beautify the layout of your fine. So I'm just trying to just give it a good look. Just trying to curve it and giving it a shadow, right, and increase the shadow depth. Right, so this might be my image, and I can have the post title out here, and I can have the complete post out here. So I hope the post title option was clear to you. So keep watching this video where I will be telling you another module in the next part. Thank you and have a great day ahead.